If you're on your loc journey and say you just started your locks and you're doing so much research and you're looking at other loc queens and seeing what kind of regimens works well for them, things that they like to do, and you feel kind of like pressured to follow the trends, I'm here to tell you you don't have to do that. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I was about to say welcome back to my video, but welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Octavia.Darling, and I'm back with another video. But this video, I'm just going to show you all my nighttime routine. I was going to do another new loc style, but as you can see, my locks look really good right now. All I did was take down my braided loc bob, and this is the outcome. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and look at that video, then come back and finish watching this one. But I decided to take that style out because my hair was getting a little bit fuzzy, and the style was in for about a week and a half, but my hair was getting a little bit fuzzy because I work out every day, and because it's been raining, and there was like one day last week that it was raining all day and I was outside and my hair was just getting rained on the whole day. I wanted to take it out for that reason, and also because I'm gonna be going on vacation and I wanted to do a different style. I'm not going to tell y'all yet what style I was planning on doing, because I'm going to save that for my next video. I think there's some hair on my lip, but I will say that right now I have a braid out, and I've decided that I'm just going to rock this braid out for a few days while I'm on vacation, and not be so fixated on having a new style, like something that's super fresh. And that's what led me to wanting to do this video. So I'm going to talk to you guys while I am doing my nighttime routine with my locks. So I'm going to just moisturize my scalp with a little bit of water. I'm gonna mist it with some water. Excuse me. Then I'm gonna follow it up with the Loclicious Rose Water Hydration Mist on my scalp, just to make sure it's nice and moist. I'm gonna follow up with the Kriya's Love Butter Almond Oil. So as I've been on this loc journey, I'm learning more and more like what my hair likes, what's best for my hair, and how important it is to stay true to yourself in doing what's best for your hair and not necessarily being so fixated on following trends. So basically, like for me as a content creator, because I make loc tutorials, sometimes I feel, I don't want to say pressured, but I feel kind of obligated to always have a new style so that I can have a loc tutorial to show you guys. But truthfully, I don't like doing loc styles too often because I don't like to have too much tension on my locks. I actually like to wear my locks more when they are either not retwisted, like a fresh retwist, or lately I've been getting more into braid outs because it's simple, it's easy, they last for quite a long time, and it's easy to maintain. I feel like if I was to go right back into doing another loc style right now, like a fresh one, that it would be too much for my hair. And I just want to show my hair how much I love and appreciate its growth, how much I love and appreciate how it's, how it is when I take care of it, just sharing my love with my hair, and not feeling like it has to be in a style. Do you get what I'm saying? But I want to make sure I'm making sense, and hopefully someone can relate to this. But it's so easy to get caught up in trying new trends, especially like loc styles and stuff, when you're on social media like TikTok or Instagram, and you see another loc queen rocking a really cute Loc style. You're like, ooh, I want to try that. It's easy to get caught up, but I want to remain grounded and stay true to myself. So my hair is already moist, and now I'm just going to spray some of the oil on my scalp. But if you're on your loc journey and say you just started your locs, and you know you're doing so much research and you're looking at other loc queens and seeing what kind of regimens works well for them, things that they like to do, and you feel kind of like pressured to follow the trends, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to do that. Like literally, just take care of your hair. Take care of your hair as you would normally take care of your hair. Because honestly, less manipulation and tension on your locs is best. If you can keep your hands out of your hair more, then your hair will flourish as much as it can. Trust me. This is coming from someone who is right now saying I need to keep my hands out of my hair. Just find your flow, do what works best for you, and don't feel obligated to do something you don't want to do. And I'm speaking to myself. I really did not want to do that loc style that I was about to do, but I was going to do it for the sake of creating content or having content, when in reality I don't have to do just loc tutorials. I can do anything hair related, beauty related, lifestyle related, you know what I mean? I don't necessarily have to be so strict on myself with following exactly what's on my, you know, like content calendars and stuff. I have the power to switch it up because I'm the boss. This is me showing myself some grace. So I have the oil on my scalp, and now I'm just going to massage it gently. Oh my goodness, this is like the best part. This feels so good. And y'all, I'm gonna be going to the airport in a few hours. Like, I would have been doing the most. Which also leads me to my next point. I need to stop waiting till the night before to do my hair. Like, gone are those days. Okay, so I think my scalp is nicely moisturized. Now I'm gonna spray some of the oil on my hands and then just lightly pat my locs down like that. But I just want to make sure it's nice and moisturized and not dry. But yeah, that's the message for today. You don't have to follow trends, you can set them. You can do what's best for you. Do what makes you happy. Find a routine for your locs and stick with it until you need to adjust. Don't feel too pressured to do something you're not ready to do, or you just don't want to do. Just do you. Do what's best for you. Oh y'all, if y'all can smell my locs, oh my gosh, my hair smells so good. This oil right here, I'm telling y'all, this oil is the bomb. Now I'm just gonna put on, you can get you your scarf, you can get a bonnet, you know the vibes. Whatever you use, get that. So yeah, that concludes the video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed that chill vibe. Maybe I should do some more videos like that, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Octavia.Darling, as well as TikTok and Pinterest. I'll make sure to link my socials in the description box below. Leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. And also shout out to my new subbies. Thank y'all for following me. I can't wait to chat with y'all in the next video. Take care.